Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. We are from JCS 1102H from Code Program CS 110 going to present application of differentiation. There are three members for this group. First presenter is Muhammad HAIKAL bin Harun. Second presenter HAIRUL HAKIMI bin ROSLI. And the last presenter is EDDYSHAH REZZA bin SABRI. What is differentiation? Differentiation in mathematics is a process to find derivative or rate of change of function. In this chapter, we will develop a concept of a derivative, which is mathematical tools that is used to study rates at which quantities change. There are some important theorems that will enable us to calculate derivatives more efficiently.
Application of differentiation is to find the derivative of rate of change to determine which theorem is suitable to solve the equation. In engineering, to calculate speed or distance, profit and loss in business, and amount of material used for structure. Reason why we are using differentiation. First, determine the maximum and minimum value of particular function. Second, help us to calculate and predict something but more precisely and more accurate. B, to allow us to find rate of change.
So we continue with related rates. A related rate problem is a practical problem which involves a function relationship y equal to fx in which both x and y are themselves function of another variable such as time t. To relate the rate of change dx over dt to the rate dy over dt, we can use implicit differentiation. So what the step in doing a related rate problems? First, identify the known variables including rates of change and the rate of change that is to be found. Second, construct an equation relating the quantities whose rates of change are known to the quantity whose rate of change is to be found. Third, differentiation both sides of the equation with the respect to time. Often chain rule is employed at this step or implicit differentiation with respect to time. Lastly, substitute the known rates of change and the known quantities into the equation.
Problem statements. The radius for the cap of a bottle is 1.5 cm and the radius of a base for the bottle is 3 cm. The height of this bottle is 17.5 cm and the height of water inside the bottle is 16.4 cm. The height of the water after drinking is 10 cm. The time recorded is 5 seconds. How fast is the volume of water decreasing when its volume is V equal open bracket pi over 3 close bracket multiply h2 multiply open bracket a power 2 plus ab plus b power 2 close bracket plus pi multiply h1 multiply b power 2 close bracket. Problem solution. Step 1. dH over dt equal height of water after 5 seconds minus original height of water in the bottle over time. dH over dt equal 10 cm minus 16.4 cm over 5 seconds. Then dH over dt equal negative 1.28 centimeters over negative 1.
Step 2. Use formula of volume that has given in the question. Input the value of A, H1 and H2 only. Calculate and you will get the answer of volume. So the answer, we need to differentiate the answer to dV over dB equal 24.85 B over B power of 2 plus 3 pi. Step 3. dV over dB equals dV over dH multiply dC over dB. We extend this rate of change. H is 60.4, B is C. So H over B is 60.4 over 2. Differentiation is equation H respect to B. So you will get the answer H over D equal to 82 over 50.
Then we continue with step 4. dH over dt equal to negative 1.28 cm per second. dt over dH equal to negative 1 over negative 1.28. dt over dH equal to negative 0.78125. dV over dB equal to dV over dt multiply dt over dH multiply dH over dB. dV over dB equal to 24.8 pi b plus 3 pi, and we need to find dV over dt, and dt over dH equal to negative 0.78125. dH over dB equal to 82 per 50. And then we need to find the value of dV over dt. We need to input the all value of the rate of change to get the dV over dt, and dV over dt equal to 77.4 pi per open bracket negative 205 over 48 close bracket. dV over dt equal to negative 56.93485 centimeter cube per second.
Conclusion. In conclusion, we can conclude that the concept of differentiation can be used in our daily lives to solve any problem. Not just that, we also realize the reason why we need to use derivatives and solve related rates problems. Besides, we should explore more about the application of differentiation in real life, especially in different situations. Lastly, we give our thanks to our lecturer, which is Puan Mashfu'ah Mukhtar, by providing many opportunities, plus encourage us to complete this group assignment.